guys, today we're going to make nice and delicious egg and cheese puff pastry. They look nice and golden and they're very tasty to eat, so let's begin. So the first ingredient is puff pastry. This is our homemade puff pastry. If you want to know how to make homemade puff pastry, check the link in the description, or you can buy ready-made ones. We'll also need 2 eggs, a teaspoon of black pepper, salt to taste, 1 cup of chives or parsley. We're just using chives because they're fresh in our garden, 1 cup of cheddar cheese. So we're beginning with the filling. So we're cracking our eggs into our bowl. Then we're adding our black pepper and salt and giving it a mix. Next, we're just putting 2 tablespoons of oil so we can fry our filling. Next, we're adding our parsley or chives to the filling and mixing that in. We're also adding in our cheese. Next, we're rolling out our puff pastry. Then we're cutting off all the uneven edges. Now we're cutting our puff pastry into rectangular shapes. Then we're cracking an egg. This is going to be used for the egg wash, so the puff pastry is nice and golden and shiny. So firstly, we're doing a light egg wash on the puff pastry. Then we're adding in our filling. Right in the centre, just gather it up. And then you're going to seal your puff pastry. And then with a fork you're going to go around the edges to make a nice pattern. Then we're just lightly egg washing over our puff pastry. Next, we're greasing our tray with oil. This is to prevent our cheese and egg puff pastries to stick to the tray. We're using a glass tray. Next, we're going to bake these in the oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit. Make sure you check because everyone's oven is different. As you can see, they're done, nice and golden brown. We're just going to leave them now to cool down. So here we have our nice and golden, delicious cheese and egg puff pastry, or you may call it cheese and egg puffs. They're very easy to make and super nice, so make sure you try it. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below, and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, bye!